Hi everyone, I'm Shreyas sir, and I'm starting a new YouTube channel, and this will be for maths, and I'll be teaching for CBSE, ICSE, and state boards. So today I'll be teaching a topic called profit and loss and discount. This is very important chapter. Don't do this chapter only for marks. Okay, this is very important and practical chapter. So when you buy things, you have to see, are you getting discount or not? Is it profitable to buy or not? So you have to see all these things. So in this chapter there are few basics concept. उसको पहले देख लेंगे अपन. So over here first we have got as cost price. So what do you mean by cost price? Suppose you are buying a book. Okay? एक book है. To make this book, how much money was spent is called as cost price. So cost price is price, we'll write amount of money spent to make a product. We call it CP. Okay. Next we have got selling price. The amount of money spent to buy a product is called as selling price. Okay, I'll explain you. Suppose you're making a book. वो book बनाने के लिए कितना खर्चा हुआ is called as cost price. And suppose you are a shopkeeper, you're selling that book for some amount. The amount of money spent to buy a product. If the consumer is buying a book, at how much price was the book sold is called as selling price. Now suppose you start a business, so you'll have either profit or loss. So profit formula क्या होता है? Profit happens when selling price is more than cost price. You have got profit. And loss कब होता है? Loss occurs when cost price is more than selling price. इसको याद रखने का. This is very simple concept. When you sell high, you have profit. When the cost price is high, you have got loss. Next formula is called as profit percent. Profit percent is what? Selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. Okay. Similarly, we have got loss percentage. Loss percentage क्या होता है? CP minus SP upon CP into 100. Now look at this. SP minus CP is what? Profit. So profit percent is what? Profit upon CP into 100. And loss percent is what? Loss upon CP into 100. Now look at few things. In profit percent and loss percent, you always have CP at the bottom. CP हमेशा नीचे रहता है. And profit कब होगा? When you'll have got profit. Loss percent कब होगा? When you'll have loss. Simple. And one more question. Why is CP in the denominator? CP नीचे क्यों रहता है? ऊपर क्यों नहीं रहता है CP? Because you have to compare with the cost price. You need a reference. So the reference is what? CP. So you have CP always in the bottom. हमेशा नीचे रखने का इसको. Don't bring it up or any other place. Always keep CP down. So these are the 6 formulas you will require for solving the sums in this chapter. I'll be doing few sums. Let's go through it. Okay, first sum. A shopkeeper buys a bicycle for rupees 4,500. He sells it for rupees 5,000. What is the profit? Now the question is given, what is the profit? Now look at the numbers. A shopkeeper buys, कितना खर्चा हुआ, how much money he has spent to buy it is rupees 4,500, and sells. So if you have the word sells, it's what? SP. He has sold it for rupees 5,000. What is the profit? So we'll write the given. Look at each number. So this is what? This is cost price. Cost price is rupees 4,500, and selling price is rupees 5,000. We have to find profit. So solution, profit is how much? So what's the formula for profit? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price is how much? 5,000. Cost price is rupees 4,500. So you have a profit of rupees 500 in this transaction. So please highlight, this is the profit. Let's go for the next sum. Sum number 2, second sum. A book was brought for rupees 300 but sold for rupees 250. What is the loss? You can see sold. When you have got the word like sold, sell, that is SP, selling price. A bought, this is the cost price. What is the loss? Now see, the cost price was 300, selling price is 250. महंगा में बाय किया, सस्ते में बेचा, तो लॉस हुआ है. How to find the loss? So again write the given. This is what? CP. CP is rupees 300 and selling price is rupees 250. So we have to find loss. The solution. So we have to find loss. Loss formula is what? Cost price minus selling price. Cost price is how much? Rupees 300 and selling price is rupees 250. So we have a loss of rupees 50 over here. In this transaction, there is a loss of rupees 50. The profit also and loss also. Second sum over. Let's go further. Sum number 3. A shirt is purchased for rupees 600 and sold for rupees 720. What is the profit percentage? Now see, here they have asked percentage. Okay, slight change in sum. Purchased. Okay, the word is purchased, so this will be cost price. Sold, selling price. So we'll write the given. Cost price is rupees 600 and selling price is rupees 720. You have to find profit percentage how much. So let's do the formula. Solution, profit percent, selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. This is the formula. Profit percent is how much? We have to find selling price. कितने में बिका? 720. कितने में बाय किया? 600 upon 600. Remember, always CP will come in the denominator. Put this in bracket. Cancel, 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 cancel. 720 minus 600 will be 120. 120 by 6. So you have got 20%. The profit percent is 20. So if you are buying a shirt for rupees 600 and selling it for rupees 720, you'll have a 20% profit. That's good. Let's go further. Fourth sum. A computer is bought for rupees 30,000 and sold for rupees 27,000. What is the loss percentage? It's ulta of the previous sum. Again, bought. So you have got the word bought. This is cost price and sold. This is selling price. We have to find loss percentage. So let's write the given. So we have got cost price is rupees 30,000 and selling price is rupees 27,000. We have to find loss percentage. Solution, let's do loss percentage is what? CP minus SP upon CP into 100. CP is how much? 30,000. The buying price was 30,000, selling it for 27,000. So naturally you will have a loss. Put bracket so you will not be confused. So over here, if you see, you have a loss of 30,000. Sorry, you will have a loss of 3,000. 3,000 का लॉस हो रहा है. Yes. ठीक है. Cancel, 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 and cancel, cancel, cancel. So you will have a loss of 10 percentage. So in this case, the loss percent is 10. 10% का लॉस हो रहा है over here. Okay. So good. Let's go further. Sum number 5. A toy is sold for rupees 400 and the profit earned is rupees 80. What is the cost price? So now they have asked cost price. So sold. The word here is what sold. This is a selling price. So given selling price is rupees 400 and profit earned. So you have got profit over here. This is simple sum. You have to find the cost price is how much. Solution, very simple sum. Profit is what? Selling price minus cost price. Profit is rupees 80 over here. Selling price is 400. Cost price we have to find. Bring this over here. Bring this over here. So CP will be 400 minus 80. So this will become 320. Rupees 320. So this is the cost price of this particular toy. Simple sum. Let's go further. Sum number 6. A table is brought for rupees 1200 and sold at a loss of rupees 200. What is the selling price? Now this is bought. You have got the word bought, so it will be cost price. And this is given. सामने दिया है इसे loss. तो selling price कितना है? पूछा है. Let's write the given. So the cost price is rupees 1200 and the loss is 200. You have to find SP. तो लॉस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? CP minus SP. Selling price is more than the cost price is more than selling price. So loss is of 200. This is how much? 1200. SP you have to find. Same logic. Bring this over here. Bring this over here. So you have got SP equal to 1200 minus 200. So selling price is rupees 1000. So the table was sold at rupees 1000 and the loss occurred was rupees 200. I hope you got this sum also. So this is the last sum. This will be the last sum. This is the last sum. This is a very good sum. A retailer bought 10 notebooks for 40 each and sold them at 50 each. What is his total profit? Now see, he bought 10 notebooks for 40 rupees each. एक notebook का cost is 40 rupees and he sold one notebook for 50 rupees. 40 का बाय किया, 50 का बेचा. तो प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? 10 का. For each book there is a profit of rupees 10 and that 10 books, what will the profit? 10 into 10, 100. Now let's do it on paper. ठीक है. So we'll write quantity is 10 books, 10 notebooks, and the cost price of each book is rupees 40. एक notebook का cost is rupees 40. selling price. He's selling each book for rupees 50. You have to find total profit. So let's start solution. So इसमें प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला विल अप्लाई तो प्रॉफिट फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट selling price minus cost price selling price rupees 50 cost price rupees 40 you have got 10 so there's a profit of rupees 10 behind each notebook but how many books he has sold 10 so you have to find total profit now total profit का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है quantity into profit this is the formula for total profit how many books he has sold 10 profit for each book is rupees 10 so total profit is rupees 100 this is the total profit so these were the sums for the first video in the description box I will paste all the sums over there and I will also paste 10 practice sums for you to solve if you have any query please ask in the comment box I will make a video on a doubt and please comment how you like the video what else you want I will surely make a video on that that's it from my side thank you so much